We used to think of space as endless, silent, and clean, but it's getting crowded up there, and dangerously so. Orbiting Earth right now are over 30,000 tracked pieces of space debris, from dead satellites to discarded rocket parts. But the total number, scientists estimate 170 million fragments are flying around our planet, many too small to track, but big enough to destroy. Why does that matter? Because these fragments are moving at 28,000 kilometers per hour, 7 times faster than a bullet. At that speed, even a flake of paint can tear through metal. In 2009, 2 satellites, one American, one Russian, collided. The impact created more than 2,000 new pieces of debris. A single accident multiplied the problem. And it's not just satellites at risk. In 2021, astronauts on the International Space Station had to take emergency shelter. Why? Because a Russian missile test blasted an old satellite to pieces. The debris cloud threatened everything in its path, including human lives. This growing mess is part of what scientists call the Kessler syndrome, a chain reaction of collisions that could make Earth's orbit unusable for decades. Imagine a future where we can't launch new satellites or safely send people to space. The consequences aren't abstract. Our internet, GPS, weather forecasts, even national security, all depend on space staying accessible. So what's being done? Agencies like NASA and ESA are constantly tracking objects in orbit. Private companies are stepping up too. ClearSpace is launching a space tow truck to clean up junk. JAXA is testing tethers that pull debris back into Earth's atmosphere. Even laser systems are being developed, not to destroy debris, but to push it into safer orbits. But here's the real issue. We're still launching satellites faster than we're cleaning them up, and most missions don't include an end-of-life plan. It's like adding cars to a freeway, but never building exits. Space is becoming a junkyard, and we need to clean it before we crash into our own future. Because space isn't infinite anymore. Not for us, not at this speed, and not with this much garbage. It's time to take responsibility for the planet and the space around it. Act now for planet Earth.